What if I told you that right now, in your own backyard, you might have a simple leaf capable of fighting 9 different diseases? While most people rush to pharmacies and clinics searching for solutions, nature quietly keeps one of its most powerful remedies in plain sight: the guava leaf. This humble leaf has captured the attention of researchers for its potential to combat some of the world's most common illnesses. But is it really that powerful? Or just another viral internet myth? Today, we'll uncover the real, evidence-backed benefits of guava leaf tea. And at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare it, so you can enjoy all its advantages safely at home. So, can guava leaves really prevent or treat diseases? And is guava leaf tea safe for everyone? Let's find out together. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us reach more people looking for natural, science-based health tips. Now, let's explore the 9 diseases that guava leaf tea can help fight, according to research and tradition. 1. Diarrhea and gastroenteritis. Diarrhea and gastroenteritis are conditions that can completely disrupt your day, and if ignored, they can lead to dangerous dehydration. The secret weapon inside guava leaves lies in their astringent compounds, especially tannins. These compounds tighten and tone the intestinal lining, reducing excessive mucus and slowing down fluid loss. When your stomach is irritated, guava leaf tea helps calm the inflammation and restore balance in your digestive tract. It doesn't just stop diarrhea, it nourishes your body with vitamins and minerals like potassium and magnesium, helping rebuild the intestinal flora that was damaged during infection. By drinking guava leaf tea, you're helping your digestive system recover naturally, without harsh chemicals or synthetic anti-diarrheal drugs. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to Health Fix now. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Guava leaf tea has shown surprising potential in helping manage blood sugar levels. It's rich in phenolic compounds and flavonoids such as quercetin and catechins, natural antioxidants that improve insulin sensitivity and help glucose move from your bloodstream into your cells more efficiently. Several studies, particularly in Japan and India, have found that drinking guava leaf tea regularly can lower fasting blood sugar and reduce post-meal spikes. For people with type 2 diabetes, it can serve as a supportive tool, not a replacement for medication, but a valuable addition to your lifestyle routine. Think of it as a daily line of defense that works alongside healthy eating and medical treatment to keep your blood sugar under control. 3. High cholesterol. If you're concerned about your heart health, guava leaf tea might surprise you. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, builds up inside your arteries, forming plaque that slows blood flow and raises your risk of heart attack and stroke. Guava leaves contain polyphenols and saponins, which help block the absorption of dietary fats and prevent LDL from oxidizing, the step that turns cholesterol into dangerous artery-clogging plaque. By drinking guava leaf tea consistently, you may naturally lower your LDL levels while increasing your good HDL cholesterol. Combined with exercise and a balanced diet, this tea becomes a gentle yet powerful ally for your cardiovascular system. In simple terms, it helps keep your blood flowing smoothly and your arteries flexible, just as nature intended. 4. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is known as the silent killer for a reason. You can have it for years without feeling any symptoms until it leads to a heart attack, stroke, or kidney failure. Here's where guava leaf tea steps in. It acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps blood vessels relax and widen. This effect reduces resistance inside your arteries and allows blood to circulate more freely, lowering overall pressure on your heart. Some researchers believe compounds in guava leaves may stimulate nitric oxide production, the same molecule responsible for healthy vascular relaxation. So by drinking 1 cup a day, you're not only enjoying a pleasant herbal flavor, but also supporting smoother circulation and more stable blood pressure levels. Remember though, this isn't a substitute for prescribed medication. Think of it as an extra layer of heart protection that fits perfectly into a preventive lifestyle. 5. Oral health. Your mouth is home to millions of bacteria, and without proper care, those microbes can cause more than just bad breath. They can trigger gum disease, infections, and even affect other organs through inflammation. Guava leaves contain powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agents that help combat the bacteria responsible for gingivitis, cavities, and foul odor. Gargling with guava leaf tea once daily can help freshen breath, soothe swollen gums, and even ease toothache discomfort. The tannins found in the tea act as a mild antiseptic, tightening gum tissue and stopping minor bleeding. It's an ancient yet effective practice, one that cleanses your mouth naturally without the alcohol and harsh chemicals found in some commercial mouthwashes. 6. Hair loss. Hair thinning and loss can be caused by nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or scalp inflammation. Guava leaves contain vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, and antioxidants that directly nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. When you rinse your hair with cooled guava leaf tea or apply it as a scalp treatment, the nutrients penetrate deep into the roots, improving blood circulation and encouraging new growth. Some compounds in guava may also inhibit DHT, a hormone linked to male and female pattern baldness, helping slow down shedding over time. It's a simple, natural hair tonic that can complement your regular hair care routine and restore shine and strength without expensive treatments or chemicals. 7. Acne and skin healing. Here's something you might not expect. Guava leaf tea isn't only beneficial when you drink it. You can also apply it directly to your skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties fight off acne-causing bacteria such as Cutibacterium acnes, while calming redness and irritation. Just soak a cotton pad in cooled tea and dab it gently over affected areas. Research shows guava leaf extract can even accelerate wound healing by boosting collagen formation and reducing infection. Some studies found wounds healed up to 40% faster compared to untreated skin. So whether it's acne, scars, or minor cuts, this tea can help your skin recover more quickly and naturally. Just remember, always prepare it fresh, because after 24 hours, the antimicrobial potency fades. 8. Stress and anxiety relief. We all deal with stress, but when it becomes constant, it can harm every system in your body. Guava leaf tea acts as a gentle, natural relaxant that helps calm your nervous system. It's rich in vitamin C, which plays a key role in producing norepinephrine, a hormone that regulates alertness, mood, and concentration. The antioxidants and flavonoids in the tea may also reduce levels of cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. Drinking a cup after work or following intense exercise can ease muscle tension, quiet your thoughts, and promote restful sleep. It's a peaceful ritual, one that helps you unwind while giving your body a subtle energy boost at the same time. 9. Digestive disorders and IBS. Indigestion, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, are among the most common digestive complaints worldwide. Guava leaf tea works like a soothing hug for your stomach. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds help calm the intestinal walls, reduce spasms, and neutralize free radicals that irritate the gut lining. If you often struggle with bloating or cramps, a warm cup of guava leaf tea before or after meals can bring remarkable relief. It also helps balance gut bacteria, promoting a healthier microbiome that supports regular digestion. In short, this tea not only relieves discomfort, it helps your digestive system recover and strengthen itself naturally. Potential side effects and risk. Even natural remedies need moderation. Guava leaf tea is generally safe for most people, but drinking it in large amounts may lead to constipation due to its strong astringent tannins. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid it until more safety studies are done. And if you have diabetes, be cautious. Guava leaf tea can lower blood sugar, which might interfere with your medication dosage. Always talk to your doctor if you're considering adding it to your daily routine, especially if you have any chronic health condition. As with everything in health, balance is key. 1 or 2 cups a day is usually enough to enjoy the benefits safely. How to make guava leaf tea. Making guava leaf tea is incredibly simple. Here's how to do it. 1. Gather 5 to 7 fresh guava leaves. 2. Wash them thoroughly under running water to remove dust and residue. 3. Place the leaves in a small pot with about 2 cups of water. 4. Bring it to a gentle boil and let it simmer for around 10 minutes. 5. Strain the liquid into a clean cup and your tea is ready. You can enjoy it hot or chilled. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey once the tea cools slightly. This helps preserve its nutrients and makes the flavor smoother. Drink 1 cup daily, and you'll soon notice the difference in your digestion, skin, and overall vitality. Final thoughts. Now that you know the incredible science-backed benefits of guava leaf tea, from supporting digestion and lowering cholesterol to calming your mind and improving skin, it's your turn to experience it. Have you ever tried guava leaf tea before? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else begin their own wellness journey. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next natural health breakdown. Share this with friends and family, because sometimes the most powerful medicines grow right in our backyards. And before you go, check out the next 2 videos on your screen. We've handpicked them just for you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep watching Health Fix Now, where your health journey begins naturally.